Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. And today I am super excited because we are creating Mardi Gras looks for today. I did not realize Mardi Gras was already creeping up on us, and here it is. I've never created a Mardi Gras eye look before, and I kind of struggled on figuring out which palette might be the best to go about it. So I chose some of the Colourpop Monochromatic palettes. At first I had It's My Pleasure, but instead I grabbed Lilac You a Lot because it has better purple mattes, whereas It's My Pleasure has more purple shimmers. And then I haven't used Just My Luck yet, but I love these greens in here. They are calling me. And then of course I've used Honey. I did a palette showdown between this and Urban Decay Naked Honey. I'll link that video in case if you missed it. I felt like a lot of the palettes I had in my collection either had just one purple, one green, and not a yellow. I normally don't use multiple palettes to create a look. This is gonna challenge me in that aspect, and I'm a little nervous how it's gonna go over. If you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's create a look. I'm gonna start off by filling in my brows with the ABH Brow Wiz and setting it with the clear brow gel, and then I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Urban Decay Potion Primer. And I just realized I was holding up an eyeliner, not my Brow Wiz. My bad. I think I'm gonna start off with Lilac You a Lot, and I'm gonna take the shade Iffy, and I'm just gonna pack it on right here. Ooh, that's a nice purple for Mardi Gras. Let me know if you guys have any Mardi Gras plans. There's actually a Canes game, which we're gonna go to, and it's so exciting because they had a game over the weekend and both of our goalies got injured. So we had to have this emergency goalie who was a Zamboni driver, and the Canes ended up winning. I actually couldn't believe it. It was a wild game. Like, I kind of wish I was there to witness it, but oh my gosh, it was absolutely insane. So the emergency goalie will actually be there on Tuesday, and before each period we have a sound siren who cranks up like the hurricane take warning before they come out on the ice to kick off the next period. And they are also making shirts in his name, and he gets some royalties, and he also had a kidney transplant, I believe. So part of the proceeds will be going to a kidney foundation from some of the sales, which I thought was really cool and classy of the Carolina Hurricanes Foundation. I think I'm gonna take Act Natural from Just My Luck and start bringing it around and also rounding the outer V. I don't know, green and purple, I like the colors, but I'm not sure if I like them together. It's very almost Joker color, which isn't bad, and Barney. I really like this Act Natural. It reminds me of Slytherin green. And then before we know it, St. Patty's Day is gonna be here. I felt like January kind of dragged its feet, and February, we're almost done. I mean, I know it is a shorter month, but dang, feel like this green shade is more blended out than the purple, but it's okay, we will fix her. I have no idea why I have been sleeping on these monochromatic palettes. I own them all. I haven't used them all though. They all have been performing so nice. I'm gonna go back in with Iffy, the purple shade, blend the two together. From Just My Luck, before I add some yellow, I think I'm gonna take some of this shade Mo Bamba, add it to the outer V. I don't really want to use the pressed glitter, but it crossed my mind. I think I'm gonna take Dandy for the remainder part of my lid. And I thought about cutting the crease, but y'all know I hate cutting the crease. I have no additional product, but I'm just going to make sure that everything is all blended together. I'm going to add some eyeliner to my lid and waterline. I think for the lower lash line, I'm going to take Iffy again. And I couldn't decide if I wanted to bring it all the way or just do part of it. Yeah, I'm just going to bring this all the way. I have another idea for the inner corner. For the inner corner, I think I'm gonna take this green right here. I almost took this like lime green shade, but I don't know if it's gonna clash with the yellow. And I'm gonna spray some MAC Fix. I'm gonna do the rest of my face makeup off camera using items from my Project Pan. I will link that video for reference, and also figure out what kind of lip would go with this look. And this is the final look. I am really excited how everything turned out except The lip products that I chose out, this Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip and this BOXYCHARM Gloss, keeps getting in my teeth. I don't even know how that happens, but I keep having to take a Q-tip, like I have to right now. I don't even know how that happens or how to prevent it. If you do, let me know in the comments because this is annoying. I just felt like a darker lip went better with this look than a brighter lip, so that's why I took more of a vampy approach, and it's definitely trying to steal the show of this look. But I think everything blended out super nice in creating this look. I really like Colourpop's formula a lot, both the mattes, shimmers, foils, metallics, any of their formulas I have not been disappointed with, and these palettes retail for $12, which is pretty affordable considering you get 9 shades. And let me know what you guys plan on doing for Mardi Gras, and if you practice Lent, what are you gonna give up for Lent? I haven't decided yet. I kind of want to try soda. I know that's like the typical one, but I always break candy or junk food by like day 2. So I'm trying to get better on cutting back on soda. I have been purchasing a bunch of like the packets of pink lemonade put in water for taste, and then I try to drink sparkling water. Just trying to help trick myself by having that carbonated feeling. And if you are creating a Mardi Gras look, what palette are you using and what approach are you taking with the look? I thought I was gonna run into some blending issues, especially where the purple and green meet, but I definitely think that the 2 shades blended out really nice. There's not that much harshness going on. Happy Mardi Gras. Be safe. We are coming up on the final days of the monthly giveaway before the winner is announced. If you've already subscribed and entered, don't forget to comment on this video for your additional bonus entry. And if you haven't entered yet, go on ahead and subscribe. There'll be a link in the description box to the video of all the other rules how to enter. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.